Advanced MS Paint. You will learn. Student will be able to draw a curve and a polygon. Create an airbrush effect. Copy color from one area or object to another. Erase a large area. Select part of a picture. Change the size of your picture. Enlarge the size of the viewing area. Stretch or skew an item. Paint with a brush in MS Paint. Change the color of an existing line. Undo changes. Copy part of a picture. Zoom in or out of a picture. Flip or rotate a picture or object. Use a picture as the desktop background. Using Curve Tool. The Curve tool is used to draw a smooth or curved line. Select the Curve tool from the Tools group. Select any color from Colors group. Select the thickness for the curve. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw a line. Move the pointer on the line where you want to add a curve. Click and drag the mouse to draw a curve. Using Polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw different shapes like triangle, star shapes, etc. Select the Polygon tool from the Shapes group. Select the thickness of the line by clicking on the Size button. Select the color of your choice from the Colors group. Draw a line by dragging the mouse from one point and releasing the button at other point. In the same manner, draw more lines and try to make a drawing star as shown in the picture. Now, click on Fill with Color tool from the Tools group. Select color of your choice and fill the shape. Using Airbrush tool. The Brushes tool is used to draw lines that have a different appearance and texture. Select a color of your choice from the Colors group. Click on Brushes tool and select Airbrush option. Select the spray size of your choice from the Size button. Move the mouse pointer onto the drawing area. Click the mouse button over that area where you have to spray the color. In the same manner, you can make use of other brushes. Paint provides a number of brushes to choose from to make your drawing look beautiful. Selecting an area. You can select an area in Paint using the Select tool. On the Home tab in the Image group, click the down arrow under Select. Click on Rectangular Selection if you want to select a rectangular area. Now, drag the pointer to select a part of the picture. To select any irregularly shaped part of the picture, click Freeform Selection and then drag the pointer to select a part of the picture. You can regularly save the progress of your drawings by simply clicking on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Deleting or moving an object. You can delete or move an object from Paint. Click on Select tool. Select the picture. Select Delete key or you can click Cut command on the Home tab. The selected portion will be deleted. Copying and pasting an object. Copying means to make another copy of an object. Click on Select tool. Select the picture. Select the Copy command on the Home tab. By clicking on Copy command, the selected picture is temporarily kept at clipboard. Now, click on Paste option present in the clipboard group in Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area of Paint. You can move this object to any other location. To undo changes. If you have done something wrong, you can undo the changes. Click on the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. Flipping a picture. Flipping means rotating the selected picture on a given angle to different directions. Click on Select tool. Select the picture. Click on Rotate option present in the Image group on the Home tab. A list of options appears. This is a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select one of the following options. Select the desired option and you will see that the picture has been rotated to the desired direction. Resize or skew picture. You can increase or decrease the size of a picture vertically or horizontally. Click on Select tool. Select the picture. Select Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Resize and Skew dialog box appears on the screen. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and verticals in the different boxes as per your choice. Click OK button. Zooming picture. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of a picture on the screen. Open a drawing or a picture. Click View tab. Click on Zoom in option to increase the view size of the picture. click on Zoom Out option to decrease the view size of the picture. The normal view of the picture is 100%. Therefore, to view the picture in normal view, click on Zoom to 100% tool. Opening the saved drawing. You can open your saved drawing anytime. Open Paint. Click on the Paint button and then click the Open option. The Open dialog box, small window appears on the screen. Select the picture you want to open in Paint. Click it and then click Open. You will see that your drawing has opened on the screen. Creating a new file. Click Paint button. Click New option. A new Paint window will appear on the screen. To use the picture as the desktop background. To set the picture as the desktop background picture, click the File menu and select Set as Desktop Background option. Use the option to fit the picture in the background, fill, tile, or center option. To put the picture in the center, click on the Center option.